Hi guys, welcome back to another videos. Now if you are using a GoPro for your vlogs, then there is one accessory that is quite useful. I find it's very useful that I want to introduce to you. It is the VIJIM accessory, and this is the accessory right here. Now you can see if you are using a GoPro to make videos, sometimes you might want to use an external microphone or external flashlight and other accessories. Now you can see here I can combine my microphone in one place. I can put my GoPro 6 on the top, and on the side here I can even attach another accessories such as a flashlight. So I want to show you this device here. I find it is very useful. So I'm just gonna take out my GoPro. So this is the GoPro 6 that I have, and this mount onto the tripod. So here is VIJIM, and this accessory here is attached to the GoPro and the tripods. So you can see here it is very useful in attaching all the different accessories in one place and making it for you easy for you to videotaping what you need to do instead of worrying all the equipment laying around in the different places. So here at the bottom here on this VIJIM accessories, so you can see here this VIJIM accessory. On one side you can attach a microphone, and on the other side you can attach a light, or if you have any other accessory that you like to use, you can attach them. So here it is. I'm just going to mount this one onto a tripod. Then what I do is I'm just going to open it up, and on top here we can mount the GoPro on top, like so. So the GoPro sits on top of that. Then on the other side we can mount the microphone on. So you can see here on the side here, we can mount the microphone on the side. Then on this side here, if you've got an external flashlight, you can also mount it onto over here. So you can mount it on the side like that. And this middle pocket right here, this is where you can plug in the microphone adapter, and it plays right in the middle right here. And on the side here, so you can see there is opening for you to place in a USB-C cable, and this will allow you to plug in the external microphone adapter to your GoPro device. And then you can plug your microphone into the adapter, and you will be able to use an external microphone to improve your audio quality. So while this piece of plastic here looks simple, but it is very useful in keeping all your accessory in one place. You can see here it will combine all your accessory in one place, allow you to hold the GoPro camera at the top, and then at the bottom you can attach the tripod. In the middle here there are 3 different compartments. The middle one you can add in a microphone adapter, and on the 2 sides here you can attach the different accessory to it. So I find it's very useful, and the price is relatively cheap as well. Around $10 you can purchase one of this. And yeah, if you really want to use your GoPro for vlogs and you need to attach other accessories such as an external microphone, then I would recommend you getting one of these accessories, which make your life a lot easier to use. Now I have included a link in the video description to give away 5 of these accessories. Click on the link and see if you are lucky enough to win one of these accessories. There are 5 to give away, so give it a try. If you win, you can get it home and try it out and see if you like them or not. I personally really like them. I find it quite useful. If I'm going to go out and use the GoPro to make videos, then if I want to attach other accessory, then this device here definitely helps out. And yeah, don't forget to click on the link so that you may have a chance to win one of these accessories. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.